नाम गेस करो. Guess your बड़ी बेटी's name. तलबुली तुम्हारा बड़े.
Welcome everyone. We are just starting in within a 1 or 2 minutes. Let some more people come in.
Hello.
Welcome everyone. Welcome Mr. Gautam Banerjee.
Thank you.
Ms. Abhilasha Sharma. Dr. Bishwa Mohan Jina. Dr. Mamta Patra. Dr. Neeraj Singh. Neeraj Sharma. Dr. Manisha Rathi. Dr. Nakul Mandal. Dr. Padma MM. Dr. Parth B. Patel. Mr. Javed K. Dr. Pramoda Kumar Nayak. Mr. Samarjit Roy. Mr. Satish Babu. Welcome you all. Welcome, Dr. EBC Shekhara Rao. Welcome, Dr. Harbans Singh. Welcome, Dr. Manisha Rathi. Welcome, Ms. Sandipta Pargula. We will start in just within 2-3 minutes. Welcome, everyone.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon, ma'am. Okay. Okay, let's start. Welcome you all, ladies and gentlemen, to the award ceremony of 5th Academy Brand Awards. And it's more than 25 participants are already here. So let's start without taking more time. My name is Abhi Singh. I'm the marketing head of Education Expo TV and looking after the marketing aspect of Academy Brand Awards. So let's give me some intro about the Education Expo TV. Education Expo TV is the India's leading research and branding company. The company was founded in the year 2011 with main focus area in education sector. Within the span of only few years, the company grows from strength to strength and expanded its operations to the healthcare, real estate, hospitality, entertainment, and edutainment sectors. The company provides services of rating, ranking, research, and branding solutions. Now, to throw some more light on the Academic Brands Award evaluation criteria and other aspects, I would like to invite our Chief Research Advisor and my senior, Dr. DC Singh. Before I invited him, let me give you his introduction. Dr. DC Singh, heading the research wing of Education Expert TV. His position is largely responsible for all research branding related activities of EET-CRS. He is holding the doctorate degree with vast experience in education and industrial research. So now to throw some light on EET-CRS Academic Brand Award 20, now I'm inviting Dr. DC Singh.
Thank you, RB Singh. Hello, everybody. Good afternoon. Our Academic Brand Awards, established by EET-CRS with the mission to identify best practices in teaching, research, and technology fields. The evaluation criteria followed by us is based on the parameters like scientific paper written as first author, review and articles published again as first author, books and chapter in the books written as a first author, or books edited as first author, in research PI-ship of projects, seminar organized, invited talks given on radio or television, written popular articles in magazines and newspapers, patent filed and got the patents of their research work, consultancy projects undertaken. The administrative expertise also has been taken into consideration for Best Principal and Director Awards. Our mission is to create value-based media for the world, and Academic Brand Awards are one such initiative. We at EET-CRS are committed to bring the honest opinion, social change, and justice to the services. Thank you very much. Now I request RB Singh to proceed about the awards.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. So let's proceed with the announcement of the awards. It has been a journey of, I think, last 2 months, and the whole evaluation criteria is already shared by my senior. And so let's move to the announcement of the results categories by category. Okay. Let's first start with the category of Award for International Achievement. The first award for international achievement goes to Dr. Syed Ahmed Salman. He's a senior lecturer, Faculty of Business and Accountancy, Lincoln University College, Malaysia. So congratulations. The second award for international achievement goes to Dr. Bishwa Mohan Jaina. He's an assistant professor of commerce from Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose College, Odisha. Congratulations. Now the last award for international achievement goes to Mrs. Alka Malik. She is the Managing Director, Founder and Administrator of Ascentry Examination and Test Preparation Center, Dubai. So congratulations to her also. Please give the round of applause. Now let's move to the second category. Award for Special Achievements. First award for special achievement goes to Dr. Nakul Mandal. He is a program assistant, Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Dakshin Dinajpur, from Uttar Banga Krishi Vishwavidyalaya, West Bengal. Congratulations to both. And I think Dr. Syed Ahmad Salman has just joined. So I would inform him that he is the winner in the award for international achievement category. He is a senior lecturer from Faculty of Business and Accountancy from Lincoln University College, Malaysia. Congratulations. Second award for special achievement goes to Mr. Sanjeev Tyagi. He is the visiting lecturer of Civil Engineering from BRCM College, Haryana. Congratulations. Now let's move to the faculty category. In the faculty category, the first best faculty award goes to Dr. Manisha Ashish Rathi. She is the professor of community psychotherapy from Dr. D.Y. Patil College of Psychotherapy, Maharashtra. Congratulations. Second best faculty award goes to Dr. N.C.H. Batra Charilu. He is an assistant professor of statistics from Osmania University, Telangana. Congratulations. Last best faculty award goes to Dr. Idara VC Shekhara Rao. He is an associate professor, electrical and electronics from MBSR Engineering College, Telangana. Congratulations. Now, the honorable jury mentions. Honorable jury mention certificates. In the faculty category, the first honorable jury mention certificate in the faculty category goes to Ms. Abhilasha Sharma. She is a contractual teacher of Agriculture Extension and Communication from RAK Agriculture College, Madhya Pradesh. Congrats. Second honorable jury mention certificate goes to Ms. Deepika Shukla. She is an associate professor of physical education from Prayag Mahila Vidyapeeth, Degree, Uttar Pradesh College. Congratulations. The last honorable jury mention in this category goes to Mrs. Grija C, assistant professor commerce from MPMMSN Trust College, Palakkad, Kerala. So congratulations to her also. Now, let's move to the outstanding faculty of the year. So friend, this is the 5th year of this academic brand awards, and every year we celebrate this event in Delhi. So this year, due to global pandemic, it's not possible for all of us to get collect, but we missed that thing, and that online thing, announcement of awards online is also has its own charm. So I hope you all are enjoying. So now, outstanding faculty of the year. There are 3 winners in this category. The first outstanding faculty of the year is Dr. K. Natarajan. He is an assistant professor business administration from Annamalai University, Tamil Nadu. Congratulations. Second award for the outstanding faculty of the year goes to Dr. Muhammad Javed Kalbogi. He is a professor of MBA from Bellary Institute of Technology and Management, Karnataka. Congratulations. The third outstanding faculty of the year goes to Dr. Anjana Saxena. He's an assistant professor, Prasuti Tantra from Government PG Ayurvedic College and Hospital, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Congratulations. Now, the Director and Principal Awards. The Best Director Award goes to Dr. Neeraj Kumar Sharma, Director of Computer Science Department, Halal Institute of Management and Technology, Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Congratulations. The second Best Director Award goes to Dr. Arvind Kulkarni. He's a principal from Zoology Field, Arts, Commerce and Science College, Maharashtra. Congratulations. Now, the Best Edupreneur Award goes to Dr. Padma MM. He's a trustee. She is a trustee from Janani Vidya Mandira, Karnataka. And Best Principal Award goes to Mr. Gautam Banerjee from Panigata UDH High School, West Bengal. Congratulations. Now let's move to our research category, the Award for Excellence in Research. The first award for excellence in research goes to Dr. Sudeep Solanki. He's an assistant professor, veterinary microbiology from CVAS, Navgania, Vallabh Nagar, Rajasthan. Congratulations. Next award for excellence in research goes to Dr. Parth Bharatbhai Patel. He's an assistant research scientist from Soil and Water Management Research Unit from Navsari Agricultural University, Navsari, Gujarat. Congratulations. The last award for excellence in research goes to Dr. Mamta Patra. She's an assistant professor of political science from Bhuvan Women's Degree College, Odisha. Congratulations. Now the honorable jury mention certificates in this category. The first certificate goes to Mr. Satish Babu Kolambad. He's a retired officer from finance field from KSFE Limited, Kerala. Congrats. The second honorable jury mention certificate goes to Dr. B. John Robert. He's an assistant professor of education from College Junior College, Andhra Pradesh. Congratulations. Now let's move to the best researcher category. So in the best researcher category, the best researcher award goes to Dr. Harbans Singh. He's a research officer and scientist, category 2, clinical from of field clinical research respiratory disorders from Central Ayurveda Research Institute for Respiratory Disorders, Punjab. Congratulations. Second best researcher award goes to Dr. R. Shivaraman. He's an associate professor of mathematics from Madras University, Tamil Nadu. Congratulations. Next best researcher award goes to Dr. M. Vamsi Krishna. He's a professor and principal of computer science engineering from Chaitanya Institute of Science and Technology, Madhya Pradesh. Congratulations. The last best researcher award goes to Dr. Pankaj Seth. He's a scientist from KVK, Saraikela, Kharsan from Birsa Agriculture University, Jharkhand. Congratulations. And the honorable jury mention certificate in this category goes to Dr. Kapil S. Ravea. He's a research associate of electronic fields from Junagadh Agriculture University, Gujarat. The next honorable jury mention certificate goes to Dr. Sandeepta Burugula. She's an assistant professor of microbiology from Osmania University, Telangana. The last honorable jury mention certificate goes to Dr. Kaushik H. Ravia. He's an assistant professor of computers from Om College, Gujarat. Congratulations. Now, young scientist category. There is only one winner in this category. Is Mr. Samarjit Roy, Senior Research Fellow from Department of Computer Science and Engineering from Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad University of Technology, West Bengal. Congratulations. The honorable jury mention certificate in young scientist category goes to Dr. Sushma Maji. He's an assistant professor cum junior scientist of agronomy from Birsa Agriculture University, Jharkhand. And the last honorable jury mention certificate in young scientist category goes to Dr. Matadeen Bharti. He's a district fluorosis consultant from Chief Medical and Health Office, Madhya Pradesh. Congrats. Now the last category of these awards are the scientist awards. There are two winners this year in this category. The best scientist award goes to, the first best scientist award goes to Dr. Pramoda Kumar Nayak, adjunct professor Ramanujam fellow of physics from IIT Madras, Tamil Nadu. Congratulations. And the last award of this evening, the second best scientist award goes to Dr. Jilain Mansubhai Mayan. He's an assistant professor post harvest technology from Navsari Agriculture University, Gujarat. So here are the awards. Please give the round of applause to each and everyone for their success. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the 5th Academic Brand Awards. I hope you have enjoyed so far. And your certificates, e-certificate we will be sending probably tomorrow or day after. And your certificates and winner trophies will be dispatched probably in the first or second week of the November. We will send you the all intimation through emails, and every communication shall be. So now I request Dr. DC Singh for the vote of thanks.
So thank you very much, RB Singh. You have presented very well, and you have informed everybody that who is winner. So this is my pleasure responsibility to present vote of thanks. First of all, I'll give thanks to all participants who have sent their entries to participate in this competition. And those who have winner and are here on the screen, we are very privileged to see them. We are thankful to them that they have spared time to attend this ceremony. Thank you very much. And I thanks to our team who evaluates, who does every bit of things. Without their help, we cannot perform this duty in which you are here now to celebrate your winning certificates and trophies. Thank you very much. Now I hand over my mic to RB Singh.
Thank you very much, sir. So before we conclude this ceremony and rise for the national anthem, just give us a round of applause for the success of each other. So before we disperse this ceremony, let's rise for the national anthem at your respective place. Jan Gan Man Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Jai Hind. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, to join this and hope you have all enjoyed. So, with the permission of Dr. DC Singh, I announced the Academic Brands Award 2020 closed for this year. Now we will definitely meeting next year in the better situation, and hopefully we will conduct this ceremony next year in the real venue like we did in previous year. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and take care of your health, of your dears, friends, everyone.
Sir,
And
Thanks,
sir,
sir.
this
Thank you.
list. Hello,
thank you very much.
hello. Sir, this list will be put up.
Yeah.
List will be put up on the website.
Yeah. Within 5 to 2 minutes, it will be available on the website.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Singh sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Jai Hind.
Thank you all. Jai Hind. Jai Hind.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much.
So much. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Dr. Singh,
Bye.
one thing I like to add, myself Gautam Banerjee, Dr. Gautam Banerjee, date of this test.
Sure, sir. You can mail us everything. If there is some correction requiring the name or credits, we will do it. Thank you very much, sir. Take care.
Thank you to all.